Hey everybody, William Miller, National Brand Manager. I'm here with our Regional Sales Manager, Mr. Michael Hoover, with some really exciting news. Can you just talk about what we're currently in and why this is really big news for our company?
Absolutely. We are inside the very first front kitchen floor plan for DRV Luxury Suites. It's a floor plan that customers have been asking for. They've been intrigued by and asking, when is DRV going to do this? We had some things in the works, but we couldn't really provide that information, and this is the very first 41 FKMB. A little bit about this floor plan. Customers love a huge kitchen, right? They're living in our RVs full time. You can see the massive countertop space that is available with this floor plan. Plenty of space to prep and prepare your food while having your other guests still in the living space and having that conversation. A couple great features with this floor plan. In the center island, you're going to have your sink. One of the best features in my eyes is the pantry. It's a huge walk-in pantry. Customers living full-time, what are they looking for? Storage, storage, storage. They want as many cabinets, as many places as possible to put things away. And in this floor plan, you're going to get that.
The biggest thing that I want to address with our owners group, our future customers that are looking for destination freedom, this is a coach that I have been saying is in a different shopping aisle. I know that in the introductions that you've been giving me to some of our dealers, they say, hey, you know what, 2021, great job by the DRV team, complete redesigns, obviously aesthetically beautiful. But for us to have an all new floor plan, that's not common with DRV. So this is really exciting. The thing that I really enjoyed in conversation that you and I have had offline was not only is it just a new floor plan, but it was intentional to respond to the voice of the customer that has been wanting this model. This coach just got back like 20 minutes ago. You grabbed me out of the office. It came from Atlanta for a photo shoot. And from what I understand, this has gotten some recognition. Can you talk about that?
Every year at Open House, they have RV Business magazine comes through. They look at all the brands, the floor plans, and just look to see what's new for 2021. This was voted an RV Business must-see RV. That's the excitement that's built up with this product, with this floor plan. We're ecstatic for 2021. It's one of the biggest model changes we've had in quite some time, with the front caps, the rear caps, the wood colors, being innovative, staying true to who we are as far as the construction, right? We're not going to lose who we are, that story that has built DRV.
Sure.
But we also wanted to make sure that the demographics for the DRV customer is changing.
Sure.
The people's ability to work from home, their ability to work online and travel and live inside of a unit and not have to go to a brick and mortar office, brings that age demographic lower. So this is going to be one of the biggest changes that DRV has made as far as the aesthetics and the appearances, but we're still staying true to who we are with our construction.
And the thing that I'm really excited about too, Michael, is, when I talk to our general manager, Sean, he's talking about we have these open geographies, right? So as you had just mentioned, whether it's the pandemic, just the changing of the tide, more and more people embracing, RV living long term, we have some open territories. One of the things that's really unique about what you and the team do is you do give some geographic protection to a dealer. So what I've been hearing as I've been a part of the owners group is, again, they love innovation, they love to see us updating, but for us to have an all new floor plan, if you're a dealer and you were thinking about DRV and bringing us on as a brand, I cannot imagine a better time than now, because we're proving that we're doing much more than just redesigns. So what we want to do, guys, is we're going to take you through the coach from the front to the back and just kind of give you a tour and let you guys see the all new floor plan never done in the DRV history.
Billy, thanks for the opportunity to feature the 41 FKMB. As we spoke earlier, this is a front kitchen floor plan, so some of the features that you're going to notice with this floor plan. A lot of times people have gone into our 41 rear kitchen and they've thought, man, those cabinets are really high. Well, in this one, you're going to have access to everything. You can see we put the microwave into the side here, along with our oven still below, so everything is accessible, plenty of counter space. I'm 6 foot, so you're going to see there's plenty of head height here. This is what I spoke of earlier, though, that I really liked. and that's going to be our walk-in pantry. Living full-time, you want as much space and storage as possible. On the opposite side of me right here, plenty of counter space, again, more storage, along with our residential reefer. One thing that is going to be different for those that are interested in this floor plan. Typically for a DRV floor plan, you have a dinette that you sit at. In this one, you are going to have a bar-styled place to eat with 2 chairs as well, facing the living space, so I want to make sure that we talked about that. Down here in the living room, a couple things that we'll discuss are your entertainment, looking at the TV. You are going to have a full-length sofa facing the TV so you're not kinking your neck. Inside this unit, it's a huge space. You're living in this thing full-time. You're going to have a straight line roof. What that allows for you, the customer, is these slides to be taller. Okay, when you're living in it full time, you don't want to feel like you're cramped in. So with our 101-inch wide frame, along with the tallest slide boxes in the industry, you're going to have everything feeling bigger to you. In this floor plan, your washer and dryer is actually going to be a stackable unit here. If you didn't want to do the washer and dryer, we can make this into a nice closet for you, or again, just more storage, whatever you have in mind. We can put shelves in there. Just work with your sales rep and the dealer that you're working with, and we'll make sure we fit something that you want. In the bedroom, we're going to feature your king-size bed, which is standard across all DRV floor plans. And in this floor plan, you are going to have plenty of storage. You can see there's plenty of depth in here. You'll have a hanging rod in there, along with more storage below as well for the things that you might fold up. The one thing you are going to miss is going to be that big front closet, but this will be sufficient and take care of all those needs. It's just going to be in a different style. Walking through the bedroom is where your huge master bathroom is going to be. I'm telling you, this is floor to ceiling like you saw in the living room. So if you're a taller gentleman or female that's looking for a shower that you can really fit in, this rear bathroom is going to have that amenity that you need.
So Michael, all the features and benefits to our customers are not easily seen, on a dealer lot. This, however, removes that excuse.
Yeah.
For our dealers, this is a floor plan that they've never had. For prospective customers, this is a first for DRV in our company's history. So you've been here a while. Why are you so excited?
Again, just being innovative. The customers demanded it, and we delivered.
Yeah.
That's the exciting part for DRV. We do listen to the customers. We get that feedback. This is something they were asking for. And being able to deliver what they were asking for is always a great feeling.
Now that we've gone through this floor plan, I want to be very transparent and open with everybody that's going to watch this. When are we at DRV ready to start taking orders or start production on this new floor plan?
Currently, we're in the process of figuring out exactly what that base price is. I'm comfortable saying that probably within the next month, you can put an order in for it with a dealer, and you would expect an ETA of the units arriving to dealers right now, probably in April of next year, 2021.
So people are going to want more information on this. What is the best way for them to start?
100% the best way to get any information regarding DRV is through a DRV dealer or calling DRV directly. We have 4 sales representatives that are more than welcome to speak with retail customers regarding purchasing units they're interested in, any questions they have. It's great to speak with the factory. We love it. We love talking to our retail customers. It's a great way for us to learn about them and be able to help them spec out a unit. So those are my 2 suggestions. Call the factory, call your local DRV dealer, and we'll be able to answer any questions you might have.
Obviously, this is beautiful. I love the color choices, the wood, but when you do come to DRV, you do have options. And I just want to ask you, even with this new floor plan, are customers still going to be given those same options?
Yeah, absolutely. That's the great thing with DRV. We're not a cookie cutter manufacturer. We have 3 wood choices. We have 3 fabric furniture colors. You have decor colors, flooring options, paint options. So that way you can kind of customize it, tailor it to your needs. That's where we're going to differentiate ourselves from the competitors.